So this is our second question. So initially we are seeing the temperature of 33.2 and a humidity of 64, which is safe for the greenhouse. And we have an LDR, so we have the light reading, and it is safe, so we are going to get a green signal. So if we going to shut down the light, the LDR is going to show increased values, and we are going to get a yellow signal. If the temperature and humidity ranges are out of range, we are going to get a red signal, and the relay module inside is going to get activated. This is a relay module. This is a DHT11 sensor for temperature and humidity. This is a Raspberry Pi, LED and display.
So this is the code for the second question, the Raspberry Pi question. Initially we are importing all the libraries and the dependencies. Then we are setting up our pins. For each pin we are using on the board. And then we have our threshold values like the temperature minimum, temperature maximum, humidity, and the LDR safe value. So now we are also setting up a GPIO pins for the relay pin and all. Now we are setting up the GPIO pins for the LED, red, green, and blue. And now we have a function of for reading the LDR value from the LDR pin, and we also have a function for reading, setting up the RGB values for the LED one. And now coming to our main code, we keep on repeating this section of the code. Initially, the temperature and humidity, we are defining all of them as none. So we read them from the DHT11 device, and then we read the LDR value from the LDR pin. So, and now if we decide if the state is safe, warm, or unsafe, so for this condition to be safe, we need the temperature to be between the minimum and maximum. Same for the humidity, and the LDR value should be less than 1, so that they should be light from in the greenhouse. And if the temperatures are in this range, humidity is also in the given range, but the LDR value is not the given value, it is dark, we are going to get a 1, or we are going to get unsafe. So now if we are going to check the state, if the state is safe, we are going to get the green pin, RGB value in green is going to be 100, and we are going to set the relay pin to low. And if the state is 1, we are going to get R and red and green combined, which is yellow, and we are going to set the relay pin to low again because we don't need the fan to turn on. Now, once it starts becoming unsafe, we are going to set the state to red, I mean the LED to red, and we are going to on the relay, which is the fan module. And then we are going to check the temperature and all everything, and then we are going to display them on the LCD. And if there is nothing, if there are no, the state is currently not these any three states, it means we have an error, and we are going to output blue here. And finally, once we have stopped, we are going to completely shut down every sensor properly.